there, Michelle here with Acres of Abundance. Today, we're going to learn how to get these Fireplace tools off the floor and a new modern way of displaying them. And we're going to go into the kitchen and make a smoothie, a really healthy smoothie that I know you're going to love. And as the bonus, you're going to get to see Walker play lacrosse. He really is the best goalie ever. So, Fireplace tools, they're a great thing, but they can really get cluttery around a fireplace. I've found that I just don't love those little stands they come with. It just, to me, is, I don't know, it's just extra clutter and they tend to topple easy. I tend to like to decorate, as you know, very minimalistic. So I have like a bunch of wood, you know, in a little basket type thing, a little burlap bag, and then a plant. And, you know, I just like to keep it really simple and clean. I decided that I wanted to find a new way to deal with these things. So I went online and I just started looking at ideas, and I found an idea that was actually from Pottery Barn. They actually sell the hooks with the Fireplace tools. So if you don't have a set, go to Pottery Barn and you can actually get the hooks with the set. And I believe they're on sale right now. But anyway, so back to the tools. I love the look of them. It's just so cute and modern and simple to just hang them right on the wall. So I thought, what a great way to get them off the floor and put them up. Now, the one from Pottery Barn, they have them displayed right on the front, you know, with a little hook. And I chose these hooks from CB2, which are very clean, simple, more modern feel. I don't know, I just really like that understated look. So I chose these, and I'm going to put mine around the side. I just didn't really want them on the front, but I decided to put them on the side. And one thing you do have to consider is the type of material you have around your fireplace. Now, a lot of times fireplaces have the tile. Before you go digging into this project, you want to be sure that you have extra tiles just in case you crack one, putting a hole in your tile to hang these. So make sure you have a way out. And then if you ever want to change it down the road, you want to make sure you have an extra tile to replace, because you can't just put some putty in there. It just won't look that great. So I happen to have wood. Rob built this really great surround to our fireplace out of wood, nice wood treatment. And we're gonna put these right in the wood. You know, obviously just screw them right in. And when we get tired of it, or if we want to change it out down the road, it's as simple as filling the hole and painting. And the finished project, I think it actually turned out really great, and I'm so excited about it. It totally elevates just the clean and simple look around the fireplace. I hope you give it a try and let me know how it works for you. Well, as promised, we are making smoothies in the kitchen. Smoothies happen to be one of my favorite things for breakfast. And I started this about 2 years ago when I just really realized that I need to be eating just a bit more healthier for my breakfast routine. And I've literally stuck to it for 2 years, making them about 5 to 6 times a week. And I tell you, I actually look forward to it. I really do. I can't wait to wake up and make my smoothie, and they're so refreshing and yummy. And then the bonus is they're really healthy for you. So I'm gonna show you how to do that today. So first off, one thing about the seeds that I put in there, I use chia and flax, which are both very healthy for you, extremely high in omega-3s, which is really good for brain health, heart health, lowering your cancer risk. Again, all these things you can find just by doing some research about this seed family, but really good for you. Chia has a lot of magnesium and fiber, as well as the flax. Fiber is high in both of these, and which lends to good gut health, which lends to an extremely healthy body. So you definitely want to put these in your smoothie. My smoothie is frozen based. I don't, that's what I prefer. I like the more colder beverage, and so I make them with frozen fruit. So I do the chia, I'll show you how. I use yogurt. Use a good quality yogurt. I tend to go for the organic. This is Stonyfield organic. It's, I think it tastes great and it's really great for you. And then the honey. Honey is really important. A lot of honeys you get off the shelf are just going to be your basic, just regular honey, which isn't horrible, but if you can find the organic, raw, and unfiltered. So good honey. And then I use OJ as my base, my liquid base for it. So, and I use the Tropicana because I love Tropicana. It's by far, in my opinion, the best OJ out there. So I've been buying this for years. And I get it with the extra calcium because, again, extra calcium is always good for us. And by the way, I believe chia has a lot of calcium in it as well. So yeah, you definitely are getting a lot of calcium, which is really great for you too. So let's get started. Okay, so if I'm making this for my entire family, obviously this is going to get pretty filled up. But today I'm just making it for Rob and I. So about what I would say for 2 people is, that's about where I'm at with blueberries. Maybe a good cup and a half on that. The strawberries, let's see, probably about, I don't do as many strawberries, I do maybe like that many, which is maybe about a cup, you know, because they're so bulky. And then raspberries, I just do a splash of raspberries. So maybe like a half a cup or something like that. So obviously for, yeah, about 2 people, I do, you know, probably about half full. I guess this is a little over half, but yeah, so there's that. Gotta get our lid. Okay, so I take, this is where it gets really random, guys, so watch. I just take that much. A scoop of, I don't overdo my yogurt. Actually, I'm gonna do just a hair more, about that much. So I do maybe a 1/4 cup of yogurt for that much. I don't know why, but I don't love to do tons of yogurt in mine. Honey, probably about, I would say for this, maybe 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. It definitely cuts down on the tartness of the fruit, but it also adds a nice just flavor and sweetness. And I would not suggest using sugar, granulated sugar to sweeten. One, it's not the best for you, but also it's granulated and it would probably take a lot of mixing to really get that mixed in. So definitely, that's why I use honey. Okay, and then in goes our chia and our flax. And then I do, just to start off with, I pour probably about a good, half cup, maybe. You know, really, it's gonna be, you just wanna liquefy it to the consistency you like it. So if you like it really chunky, less OJ. If you like it really liquidy, more OJ. I like it kind of somewhere in between. So we're gonna throw all this in there. And I've got it on. Okay, so now that we've got that blended up, the last thing I put in there is Ghirardelli dark chocolate chips. I tell you what, it adds that little bit of sweetness, and believe it or not, I don't know if I call it crunch, but it's a little bit of something in there that in the smoothie that's just extra yummy. So yeah, and I don't overdo this at all. I just add, probably about, for 2 people, maybe an 1/8 of a cup, something like that. Nothing too much. You don't want that much chocolate, but I do get the healthier chocolate because, again, the antioxidants makes it healthier. So chop that up. And there you have it. We're all done. We get to enjoy this thing now. We're just moments away from yum. And I'm not kidding you. You are gonna love these. They taste so, so good. I mean, it's like I never knew breakfast could taste this good. And you are just gonna get addicted to these and not be able to have breakfast food. None of it ever again. So they're done. Now it's time to enjoy. Super yummy. You're gonna love these. Okay guys, so as promised, you're gonna get to see Walker, this cute little guy over here, play goalie. Good job, Walker. Is that not the cutest thing?
Good job, Walker.
Good job,
Good job, little buddy. Good job.